Alright, hello. Good morning, guys. Alright, so we are here at Iconic Marjorie Hotel. So it's actually time for breakfast. So their breakfast is actually here at Tiffin Hall. So bring it for a quick one, show you around what you can actually look forward to for their breakfast spread. Alright, so I just start off here. Okay, let's see. Ooh, wow. So here you have like all the, you have like cakes, you have donuts, your muffins. You got your yogurt section, your pastries. My personal favorite, this one. This is actually what I look forward to when going for buffet breakfast. You got so many types of bread, buns, cookies, waffle, French toast. So here you have some, you got miso soup, you have condiments with it. So there's going to be a assorted maki roll coming up. You got your cold soba sauce, you got udon, you got soba. And here you have your cold cuts, your cheese. Crackers, you got your assorted nuts, you got the chawan mushi. Alright, so over here you have, let's see, here you have your fruits, your condiments. Wow, you got different types of honey here. And here we have chiku chia pudding, plain yogurt, overnight oats. And here you have your salad. You got your cereal. Of course, you got your full cream, low fat milk, almond milk. Here we have teh tarik. And over here we have your fruits. Look at that, so pretty. You have your iced tea, infused water, apple juice, pink guava juice, orange juice. And here we have, let's see, fresh pineapple juice. Now of course you have got your coffee and also tea. And over here we have the mixing station as well as items like chicken sausage, beef sausage, chicken slice, beef slice. And you got the baked potato wedges, baked pumpkin carrot, baked beans, lamb stew. And here's your egg station. Here are like sunny side up, salt boiled eggs, scrambled egg, and then hard boiled eggs. Here we have, we also got the char kway samosa, vegetarian noodles. Here we have the tom yum fried rice. And here of course, not to miss out, nasi lemak. Your sambal, your curry. Over here we have your plain congee. And here we have the chicken porridge. You have all your condiments to go with it. Chicken balls. And here we have red bean soup. Dragon roll and otak roll. Next up we have the dim sum items. Sorry, chef. So here we have like gomai kai. Thank you. And here we have dim sum items. And here you have your noodle. You got the clear chicken soup. So you got your noodles to choose from, and then your condiments, your vegetables. Okay. Itu lor mee ya? Lor. Chicken soup. Okay. Masih. And then here we have your roti canai. Alright, roti canai. So you got your turmeric cabbage, a tandoori baked eggplant, you got curry mixed vegetable and dal. The char kway teow in progress. Alright guys, so this is actually what you can look forward to when you stay here at Iconic Marjorie Penang, or if you are looking for a place to have your breakfast, you can always pop over. Nice, cozy, beautiful ambience, as well as the food is yummy, good. Alright guys, so this is at Tiffin Hall. So if you have not actually been here, so this is just a look of their lobby area. Beautiful. Alright, so thank you so much Iconic Marjorie Penang for having us, and thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll catch up soon. Bye bye.